All right, good morning. It is day 10 and things are looking fantastic. Colt, what do you think? How are things looking? Anyway, things are looking pretty good this here on day 10. There's only a few school bus or points of concern. One, yesterday I saw a few patches of pythium, which I'm gonna have to take care of. I was planning on this morning, but probably gonna have to do it after work. Got to spray with some Propiconazole and Azoxystrobin. And yeah, let's, well, what do you think, Colt? Let's probably go to school, huh? To be continued after work. All right, I got my Propiconazole right here, Azoxystrobin here, surfactant here, although I don't know if I actually need that. I'm gonna put it down anyway. And we got Mr. Toad right here, and some friendly frogs. Behind that, some frog data. Got 1 ounce of Propiconazole here. The equivalent rate is about 0.7, considering my area. Whoa, I got that first try, look at that. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, it should be fine, good enough. Hey, Crow! Hey, what are you doing? You made your way outside, eh? Go ahead, press that button. Go ahead. Interesting. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put in about 1.5 gallons. My sprayer is about 1 gallon per 1,000 feet. I'm gonna do a little bit extra and just go a little bit slower to get a little bit more water down with the actual fungicide. All right, I am done with applying the fungicide. Thank you for watching, and to all those new people who haven't come here before, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? You'll find most of the stuff doesn't suck, so we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.